Big Bird
and Snuffy's
Letter Dance Party. Hello there, it's me, Big Bird, and this is my best friend, Snuffy.
Hello.
We're so glad you're here because we're having an alphabet dance party for all our letter friends.
Bird?
Yeah, Snuffy?
There aren't any letters here.
Gee, Snuffy, you're right. Help us create letter friends to invite to our party. Come on, let's get started. To make a letter friend, trace the letter.
This does look familiar. Hey, look, Bird.
It's the letter
F.
Excuse me, letter F. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Fantastic. I'm feeling fancy-free.
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Click the gift to open it.
Almost there. Keep clicking.
Look, it's a feather.
How thoughtful, letter F. Time to boogie.
Click on a friend to watch them dance.
Check them out. Wow. I love letter dance parties.
Happy Letter Dance Party!
Bopping balloons.
Balloon bump!
Bopping balloons. Go Bird. Go Bird. Wow. I love letter dance parties.
Go Snuffy! Go Snuffy! Hey, check out my bird boogie! Hey, look at that letter move! Trace the letter.
This does look familiar.
Hey,
Hey, look, Bird.
it's the letter
O.
Hello there, letter O. Do you want to dance with us?
Open to it. What a nice offer.
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Click the gift to open it. Oh boy, it's
Olives.
looks yummy.
Hey, everybody. Look who's here. It's the letter O.
Way to go, letter O.
Wow. I love letter dance parties. Go Bird. Go Bird. Wow. I love letter dance parties.
Trace the letter. How exciting!
Hey, look, Bird. It's the letter.
L.
Excuse me, letter L. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Leapin' lizards, I'd love to.
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Click the gift to open it. Look, it's a lion.
I hope they like dance parties.
Oh, look, a new letter friend has joined the party. Everyone say hello to the letter L. Hey, look at that letter move.
Wow. I love letter dance parties.
Way to go.
Cool.
Hey, look at that letter move. Trace the letter. Hey, I know what letter this is. Hey,
Hey, look, Bird.
it's the letter N.
Excuse me, letter N. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Neato, I'm a natural.
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift. Click the gift to open it.
Almost there. Keep clicking.
Oh boy, it's
Noodles.
looks yummy. Let's make some room for our new letter friend, conga line. Nice nay-nay, Ann. Nice nay-nay, Ann.
Wow. I love letter
Balloon bump.
Bobbing balloon.
Nice nay-nay, Ann. Trace the letter.
This does look familiar. Hey, look, Bird. It's the letter.
S.
Excuse me, letter S. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Super, I'm set to salsa.
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift. Click the gift to open it. Look, it's a seal.
I hope they like dance parties.
Oh, look, a new letter friend has joined the party. Everyone say hello to the letter S. Hey, look at that letter move.
Wow. I love letter dance parties.
Wow.
Wow. I love letter dance parties.
Hey, check out my bird boogie.
Wow. I love letter dance.
Trace the letter. Hey, I know what letter this is. How exciting!
Hey, look, Bird. It's the letter.
G.
Excuse me, letter G. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Giddy up. I'm game.
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Click the gift to open it. Look, it's a guitar.
Oh, boy. Does anyone know how to play?
Welcome to the dance floor, letter G. Way to go, letter G.
Wow. I love... Go, Bird. Go, Bird.
Trace the letter. Hey, I know what letter this is.
Hey, look, Bird. It's the letter... Excuse me, letter Z. Would you like to come to a dance party?
Zowie, let's zoom!
Hey, Bird. It looks like they brought a gift.
Oh, a gift! Click the gift to open it. Look, it's a zipper.
Thank you very much.
room for our new letter friend. Conga line. Way to go, letter Z. Happy letter dance party.
Wow, I love letter dance parties.
Balloon bump.
Bopping balloons.
Way to go, letter Z.
I call this the Snuffy shape.
Hey, check out my bird boogie.